Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on the Luvme Swoop Bang Left C-part Glueless wig. It has a 5x5 parting space. The cap is breathable so you can get your fingers to the scalp, and it's silky straight hair texture. So I trimmed the lace and I added some foundation to the lace. Well, this is a glueless wig, but I added some adhesive spray just to help it melt better. Adding glue to the lace helps it match my dark skin tone. So here's a little bit of the hair wax, just helping to tame those flyaways. Ladies, do you remember back in the 90s when we would get a roller set and get our hair wrapped? Well, I'm gonna try and replicate that hairstyle. Well, did I get it? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow. Bye bye.